Hey everyone, it's Katarina. I was just watching this really great video asking a super important question, especially if you have ever been in business for yourself or are currently in business for yourself, like self-employed business, um, you know, online business, brick and mortar business. And that was, would you employ yourself? And it really got me to step back for a second and ask myself some really important questions like, am I the kind of person that I would want to hire? Am I being the kind of person that I would like to follow and have as a leader? Like that kind of thing. And to really get me asking and examining myself to ask some really important questions. And there were some areas where I was like pretty confident. Yeah, I think so. But there were also some where I was just like, I could probably step it up a little bit. And I think these are some really important things to examine whether we have ever, wanted to move forward and have our own businesses thriving and flourishing. Like, it's important to realize that the effort and time that we put in is going to be proportionate to the reward that we get. So if we forget that, then we're kind of in like SOL, right? I grew up with a mom who has been self-employed most of my life, and I always watched her be super self-motivated and super in charge and always wanting to move forward, and she always had like a fire under her butt, and it was just kind of like really inspiring for me to see that kind of motivation and dedication when I was a young child. And I always wanted to be like that myself. Like, I never really wanted to work for somebody else. I always wanted to be my own boss. And so with that responsibility, there comes some accountability that I also need to take into consideration. Like, are things getting done? Am I doing the things that I need to do in order to see a result? And in the past little while, ever since my last conference, I feel like I've really been moving in that direction and seeing results and seeing progress and seeing fruition, and it feels really good. And so for me to sit back and take some time to actually ponder myself on an accountability basis, like, yeah, there's room for improvement always. So if you are interested in what I've said here, take a look at the video below and check out what Mike Hobbs has to say, because I think that was really important, especially if ever we've ventured into something and, not seen results for a little while and felt a little bit discouraged and disheartened and just wanted to completely cease putting effort into it. So don't quit, watch the video below, and take account for yourself.